Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been active, but I've been feeling sick and I've been working a lot, but I'm back with the twins. Say hi, Kylie. No, Mama, don't break it yet. Say hi.
Yay!
Yeah, we're gonna make a chocolate cake, right guys? What are we making? A chocolate cake, and you guys are helping me, right? Okay, let's start. We're gonna start by mixing the chocolate mixture. You guys wanna help me? Look, Mama, hold on, not the cake, not the egg yet. Help me. Let's put the mixture. So Kylie's helping, guys. You wanna help Kyle? You wanna help your sister? Let's see. Grab it, Mama. Thank you. We're gonna put everything in there, okay? Good job. Thank you. Good job, Mama. What's next? You guys wanna put the eggs next? 3 eggs. Let's see. Kylie wants to do it, guys. She's very independent. Hold on, Mama. Hold on, Papa. Hold on. No te piques la nariz. Go, Mama. Ponlo ahí, así, como yo. Así. 1 egg. 2 eggs. And you have the third one, Mama. Look, your friends want to see, Mama. Look at the camera. You have the third egg. Put it in there, Mama. Okay, I guess I have to go grab another one. Hold on, guys. What are you doing, Kyle? Ten este. Este tú. Ese ya está quebrado. The third one. And then what's next, guys? The water. Yeah, help me. Put the egg right there. Good job, Kyle. Yay. And then, what are we putting next? The oil. Thank you, Kyle. Are you guys ready to mix? And then we mix, guys. Yeah. Come help. This is how it's going, guys. Look at these little monsters. He got all dirty already. Eating the chocolate. Look at Kylie. So we have the cupcakes right here. The cupcakes. Hey guys, so we already put the cupcakes in the oven and we're just waiting 19 to 23 minutes. So I'll show you guys when they're ready. But yeah, like I was saying, I haven't really been active on YouTube because I've been really sick and I've been working a lot. But yeah, I'm back and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm also very happy because I'm 1 subscriber away from 100 subscribers. So once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be having a giveaway. And we're almost there, guys, and I'm very excited. I also want to say thank you to everyone that watches my videos and shares my videos and follows me. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. The cupcakes are ready, guys. This is how they look. They're not perfect, I know, but we try. We're going to try them right now. They smell delicious. I'm going to give some to my family right now and the twins, and we'll see if they like them. Yummy. With a cup of milk. They look so good.